Hello everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix boot problems in Linux Mint step by step. Boot issues in Linux Mint usually happen due to a damaged Grub bootloader, file system errors, or problems after a recent system update. Luckily, there's a simple way to fix this using a tool called boot repair. Start by booting your computer with a Linux Mint Live USB or Live CD. Once you're inside the live environment, open the terminal. Now, enter the following commands. First, add the boot repair repository. Sudo add-apt-repository ppa. Yannubuntu, boot repair. Then update your package list. Sudo apt-update. Next, install boot repair. Sudo apt-install boot repair. After the installation is complete, launch boot repair from the menu or by typing boot repair in the terminal. When the tool opens, click on Recommended Repair. It will automatically detect and fix most Grub and bootloader issues. Once the process is done, restart your computer. In most cases, your Linux Mint system should boot normally again. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.